Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax? One wrong move can leave you sore, irritated, or worse, infected. In this video, we'll break down how to find a licensed, gentle, and experienced esthetician. No regrets, just results. Brazilian waxing isn't just a beauty treatment, it's a skin-sensitive procedure. A trained esthetician knows how to remove hairs safely without damaging your skin. Unlicensed or inexperienced professionals may cause burns, cuts, or even bacterial infections. The right esthetician creates a clean, professional, and comfortable environment. When you trust your esthetician, your body relaxes, making the process smoother and less painful. First, check for proper licensing and certifications in your state or country. A well-trained esthetician usually has hundreds of hours of hands-on practice. Next, look at client reviews on Google, Yelp, or booking apps like StyleSeat. Consistent positive reviews indicate professionalism and client satisfaction. Don't skip the consultation. This is where you can ask questions and see how well the esthetician listens. Good communication builds trust and ensures your specific needs are understood before the wax even begins. Start by searching online beauty directories like Booksy or StyleSeat. Filter by Brazilian waxing and check their qualifications and ratings. Ask friends or family members for personal recommendations. Word of mouth is often the most reliable way to find great service. Social media is also powerful. Search for hashtags like #BrazilianWax+YourCity. Look for clean, healed results in before and after pictures, not just the final appearance. During your consultation, let your esthetician know about any skin sensitivities, allergies, or medical conditions. Ask what kind of wax they use. Hard wax is typically gentler for Brazilian areas. Find out if they offer pain reduction techniques or post-wax cooling treatments. Always check that they use fresh gloves and single-use sticks. Double dipping is a big red flag. Cleanliness isn't just professional, it's necessary for your health and safety. Once you find someone you trust, stick with them. Getting waxed by the same esthetician regularly leads to better results and less pain over time. Schedule appointments every 4 to 6 weeks for consistent hair growth cycles. Speak up if your skin reacts differently or if you want to try a new wax style. Your feedback helps your esthetician tailor the experience just for you. Now you know what to look for in a Brazilian waxing expert. Your skin will thank you. If this video helped, give it a like and hit subscribe for weekly skin and beauty tips. Share this video with someone who's still waxing at home. It might save them a lot of pain. Thanks for watching.